how to ask a question on Facebook story. Now, maybe you have some questions that you want to answer on Facebook. All you have to do in order for you to ask a question on your Facebook story for your friends to answer is to tap on this create story right here and go to your gallery wherein you can add a photo or a video. Now, all you have to do in order for you to ask a question on your Facebook story is to tap on this sticker button right here and locate the sticker that says question. You can also add poll if you want people to vote for something. Now, if you want to ask a question that will be answered by your friends, all you have to do is to tap on this question button right here. And now you can ask any question that you want to ask to your friends. Let's say right here. And now they will be able to answer if they tap on this section right here. And now, like usual Facebook stories, you'll be able to add text to it, music, filters, or even draw to this specific Facebook story. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is to tap on share right here. And now you have added a question to your Facebook story. So that's how to ask a question on Facebook story. Hope you help.